When it comes to project management, two names always come up, Asana and Trello. But which one is actually better for you? The answer isn't as simple as you'd think, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. But here's the catch, there's actually a third option that most people overlook, and I'll tell you why it might be the best choice at the end. First, let's talk about usability. Trello is built around a Kanban board, making it super visual and easy to use. If you love dragging tasks from to do, to in progress, to done, you'll probably like Trello. But here's the downside. If your projects get complex, Trello starts feeling limited. There's no proper timeline view unless you pay for it, and managing dependencies between tasks? Pretty frustrating. On the other hand, Asana gives you more flexibility. It has Kanban, but also lists, timelines, and calendars. So if you're managing bigger projects with multiple steps, Asana gives you better control. The problem? It can feel overwhelming. If you just want a simple to-do list, Asana might be overkill. Next thing, collaboration. Both tools let you assign tasks, set deadlines, and add comments, but Trello keeps it minimal. Asana, though, lets you do a lot more: task dependencies, workload tracking, and automation. The trade-off? It's more complex, and if your team isn't tech-savvy, they might struggle with the learning curve. Another key factor is pricing. Trello's free plan is generous. You get unlimited cards, members, and storage. But as soon as you need advanced features like timelines, automation, or admin controls, you'll have to upgrade. Asana's free plan is solid too, but to unlock the best features, like reporting and custom workflows, you're looking at a higher price point than Trello. So, if budget is a concern, Trello might seem more appealing at first, but it adds up fast as you scale. The fourth thing, scalability. If you're a freelancer or a small team, Trello is perfect. It's simple, quick, and gets the job done. But for businesses managing multiple projects with dependencies and reporting needs, Asana is the stronger choice. It's just more powerful for larger teams. Now, after trying both of these extensively, here's what I found. While Asana and Trello are great, they're not perfect. Trello is too basic for complex workflows, and Asana, while powerful, can be too much for small teams. That's why I recommend checking out the better alternative in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. If you're serious about optimizing your workflow, you don't want to miss it.